Today I'm going to be reviewing BioPrecision's 33-piece German stainless steel advanced dissection kit. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Really nice kit, nice case, just zippers up here. Really well made. These are German stainless steel, so they're not going to rust or anything like this. Here's one of the blade holders. You're also going to get a bunch of different blades in here. I'm going to show you small, big. These are so well made, weighted, really nice. Even the scissors, you can just tell by the weight how nice they are and how well they're going to be for when you're dissecting. Here's the pack of the different blades that you get. I'm going to put up on the screen all the items that come in the kit and what they do. So whether you're dissecting frogs or fish, this is going to have everything that you need for middle school or high school. One of the best things I like about BioPrecision is lifetime professional guarantee. Anything happens to any of these, they break, contact them, they're going to replace it immediately. This does really well on Amazon. It's an Amazon choice, which I love to see. People are buying these. It gets 4.8 stars, and last month 50 plus of these were bought. Remember, they also have another one for college universities, so check that out. So if you're looking for a dissection kit, well made, lifetime warranty, check out BioPrecision. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.